Feeling the overwhelming sense of disappointment in your life? Remorseful over several life decisions that have put you in this position? Same here! Good thing we have a liquid cure for all these symptoms. Gulping away your regrets is only an algorithm away. Today, I'll be showing you my booze tracker. For today's project, we'll be doing something with spatial data. And if it works, we won't be aware of our own spatial awareness after. We'll just need one thing to kick this off: geolocation coordinates. Our purpose is to get our hands on some booze with the minimal amount of movement. And I feel like 500 meters is a good radius to limit our search. Because who wants to walk half a kilometer for the sake of forgetting how to walk? With a little bit of help from our API and a touch of creativity, we can filter down our points of interest to places that are likely to sell booze. You could leave that thinking with your boy Wilpo. Once we get a list of all these watering holes, we can plot these locations onto a map along with the original submitted location coordinates. This will allow us to judge our options. But let's take it one step further with a little bit of trigonometry. Just kidding, no one wants to hear me talk about maths. But it does allow us to mark out the closest options. And to help you find the best picks, let's move on to the UI. I want to plot all the options that are within my radius. Slap on their street address, the name of the establishment, and also the actual distance it is to get there. On top of having an interactive map, I've also color-coded the two closest locations in red for premium convenience, and then all the other locations as blue. Now let's go, forget our worries. But Wilpo, haven't you heard of Milk Run?
As soon as you place your order in the handy Milk Run app, it gets picked and packed with expert precision and breathtaking speed.
You don't even need to go out. The booze comes to you. Ah, yes, that's a good point. Good thing I've got a promo for you to get a discount on the service. Just another Wilpo solution.
Thank you so much.